Oh, yeah, I remember. Spaceship straight braille feeling of maps. Paper flick spark stars of rememory. As my fingertips spaceships glide across the top of these glide pages, astronomy, domains and real dimension wood rings within anyway. Dear Floyd Pythagoras, thank you for the runes, aka the spheres. They've been islands and their rivers of vast invisibility, flicker prism from the bowsprit. From the water's underground, terra firma bites in musical terawatts. Keep doing what you're doing. Everything's a library now. The third dimension, what matters, I watch it daily. They just discovered a wall at the end of light. And yes, an ocean 5 times bigger than the ones on this here surface of the earth. I know you saw the catfish of the soul that swim those waters, didn't you? Yeah, I'm smiling as I write this letter. Beneath, man. Beneath. That's all I want to say is beneath. All will return to swim flight of Fibonacci. J. Maynard's here. Miss Manna brought sequence out there flying open. I've seen her eyes trapped in starlight, quivering on the surface of the stream. The bird of humanity with new scroll will scream.